start your spot trading. What is spot trading? Spot trading refers to the exchange of one digital asset with another digital asset. Taking ETH BTC as an example, it means you use BTC to exchange for ETH. To trade spot, click Spot on the top menu bar and select Spot Trading. Here you can choose which market you wish to trade. There are 3 markets available, namely USD-pegged stablecoins, OKB, and crypto markets. Next, choose a trading pair to trade from the list. To view the trading data, click Chart or Full Screen. Above the candlestick chart, you can see the price movement, latest traded prices, and 24-hour volume, etc. of the trading pair. In the page's center is the candlestick chart of the trading pair. The transaction detail of different time periods are shown here. The order book is displayed on the right. After choosing a trading pair, you can choose to buy or sell the crypto asset and select an order type. Currently, OKEx offers 7 types of orders, including limit order, market order, and stop limit order, etc. To place a limit order, you need to enter the price and the amount of tokens you want to buy or sell. Click Buy or Sell. Enter your fund password, and your order will be placed on the order book. To place a market order, enter the total amount of tokens you want to buy or sell. Your order will then be executed immediately at the latest traded price. On the right is the order book. It shows all the unfulfilled orders on the market. The number in red are sell orders and the green are buy orders. In between is the latest traded prices. At the bottom, you can find your pending and your past orders. Order details such as date, trading pairs, and filled orders amount are displayed here. On the left of the page, you can click Spot Orders to check the details of the orders you've placed. You can also click Spot Account History to view the transaction details of your spot account.